Okay, dear teachers, this is just a simple tutorial to show you how to access the response from the form. As you can see here, I'm in the classroom. Let me take the form 1. When I come to form 1, I go to classwork and I'll see the subject. So let me take, for example, geography. I'll take this geography. From here, I can see that I have 17 turned in and 10 that are still assigned. But this is not all that you have to see, because you can first of all click here on this number or this one, and you will see the student who turned in their evaluation from here. Okay, and this is where you are supposed to give the marks. Finally, you have to give the marks here. But exactly, you will ask me, how is it possible to give the mark when you have not seen yet the work? Here is just to give the mark. So they will have this mark too. So you need to grade them here. But where, if you want to see the answers, then you come back here and you click on this form, the Google form. You open a second tab. You still have this one, and you'll be prompted to this one. Instead of writing your name and starting to fill the form, just click here to edit the form. And now you have question and response. Then you can see that you have 24 answers to this quiz. 24 answers. Okay. When you click on response, you have a summary, the average and the median and the range. I mean, these are just statistics. Okay. But you just go to individual, and now you have one. This is the first paper of 24. And you can see that this first paper is, that's why we ask the name, Zokiza. So this paper belongs to Zokiza. So now you browse Zokiza, what is your name? It's okay. Then section A, multiple choice questions. Now, two main classes of lakes in Cameroon are natural lakes and man-made lakes. It was correct. So 1 point is already there. There's no need for you to go and put one, because Mr. Team already added the correct answer. So when they select the correct answer, they are graded automatically. So you can see that 21 points of 25. So if you browse, you will see that this answer is not correct. You see that another answer is not correct. This one, you see that you have, okay, this one is not correct. But when you go through, this is that first one. Now, here, which company is charged with the responsibility to efficiently and regularly collect garbage from destinate drop off points in town of Yaoundé and Douala? Izakam. He said Izakam, but the teacher wrote it in capital. So if it's correct, you just give the mark 1. Okay? You just give the mark, put 1, and it's okay. Just give 1. And it's going to be difficult because here you can see that the answer is correct, but you still have 0. That's why you have edits are pending. Do you want to save? If I click save, then I will have my point. So you can browse recycling. You put the right answer. When was the last time that Mount Cameroon erupted? The feedback is not recycling of waste. In fact, this is the date. So you need to give the good answers. And okay, so that's how you have to do. And at the end, for example, you just need to click on save. So this is how you see. And when you click on save, you come back to the top and you go to the second paper. Then when you save it, you have the score, total score. Then you will click on release, meaning that the score will now go back to the student and say this is your final marks. Okay. Then you go to here. Do you want to leave this page? Yeah, I want to leave it this way. So now 2 is Lukong CK. 3 is Raja Ibrahim Farad. 4 is Mvuto Abbas Suzanne Sonia. 5 is Gongshiri Riesola. So this is how you see it, okay? Then you grade them all, you correct, and then you click here. It's okay. You release the mark. So that's how you just, and when you are done, you just close. It's okay. When you save, you just close. And you will now see everything going online. So just try that one and we'll see how it works with you. Thank you.